They say loose ships. Sorry, loose lips sink loose ships. I perfectly said it. Said it perfectly. No, I didn't. It's loose lips sink ships. That was the shirt I was wearing today. I'm representing it on Redbubble. So, for all you Black Friday people, fanatics out there, looking for something to get in the punk attire, here on Popular Anime Punk, you can check out the Redbubble and check out the design. Punk's new shirts, keychains, stickers, art stuff on Rebel. Check it out. Or you can listen to 109.9 Pop Punk's popular show on Spotify. Or you can be stuck in a hurricane when it's really winds, high winds, and, be like, what the hell is going on right now? Or you can be grilling and having a good time and just chilling out. We're doing the grilling on a windy day. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Like I said, Redbubble, check it out. Discord, check it out. Spotify, check it out. Check it out. Jacksepticeye, check it out. Markiplier, check it out. Smooth Cat, check it out. Scorpion Girl, check it out. Blind Cowboy, check it out. And thanks for listening, and thanks for watching. And with all that said, y'all have a great night. Peace.